Welcome back to the DFWplumber.com Dallas-Fort Worth Plumbing Podcast. I'm your host, Andrew, and today we're talking about one of the smartest steps you can take before winter hits. In this episode, we're breaking down spotting freeze risk areas in your home because pipes rarely freeze at random. They freeze in predictable places, and knowing those places ahead of time can save you from major repairs when temperatures drop. One of the biggest freeze risk areas is the attic. Most North Texas homes have plumbing lines running across attic floors or through vertical chases that open into the attic space. When cold fronts blow through, the attic quickly drops to outdoor temperatures, and any pipe without proper insulation becomes vulnerable. Copper and PEX both freeze in attics, especially on the north and west sides where wind pushes cold air through vents. Tub shower supply lines that run up through attic walls are especially at risk. Garages are another high-risk zone. Washer connections, water heaters, and hose bib penetrations often sit in unheated garage walls. Because garages aren't insulated or heated like the rest of the house, a mild freeze outside becomes a deep freeze inside the garage. If your laundry hookups sit in a garage, those supply lines are some of the first to freeze during cold weather. Exterior walls are also prime freeze locations. Bathroom sinks, kitchen sinks, and tub fixtures that sit on an outside wall are exposed to the cold through thin insulation, gaps in sheathing, or wind-driven drafts. Even a small breeze entering a wall cavity can chill a pipe enough to freeze it overnight. If you've ever had one bathroom lose water while the rest of the house worked fine, you've likely found one of your freeze risk areas. Crawl spaces in pier and beam homes are another danger zone. When the underside of the home is open to cold air, exposed pipes freeze quickly. Even insulated lines can freeze if wind blows directly across the insulation. Any pipe within a few inches of the vent openings is especially vulnerable. Hose bibs and outdoor plumbing connections are the most obvious freeze points. They're exposed directly to outside temperatures, and if a hose is left attached, the trapped water increases the chance of a freeze dramatically. Even frost-free bibs can freeze if wind chill hits them directly or if insulation behind them is missing. Another overlooked freeze risk area is around foundation penetrations. Where pipes pass through the slab or wall, gaps can let in cold air that travels along the pipe like a tunnel. These spots often freeze before the rest of the system. Spotting these freeze risk areas in your home allows you to insulate, wrap, or protect them before the cold arrives. Once you know where the weak points are, winter becomes far less stressful. If you're unsure which pipes in your home are most vulnerable, you can always call or text DFW Plumber at 972-278-2625. For more homeowner-friendly plumbing tips, visit dfwplumber.com anytime or check out our YouTube channel at DFWPlumber. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you in the next episode.